How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect to WSL in VS Code. So the first thing that you want to do, of course, this is after installing WSL on your computer. You then want to navigate through VS Code and then just type for WSL. Now it's going to be inside the extensions tab, which is going to be this one. And then you want to get the official WSL released by Microsoft. Click install. Wait for it to finish. And simply right after, we have some basic functionality right here that we could go ahead and use off the get-go. So to finally connect to WSL, you want to press F1 on your VS Code right here. And then you just want to type connect to WSL. In here you have a new window, connect to WSL, etc. So just click on WSL. And then from there, you will be able to connect WSL on your Visual Studio Code. But unfortunately, WSL as of the moment isn't installed properly on my computer, but that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.